Welcome to this comprehensive guide on risk management in FCA-authorized firms' regulatory business plan creation. Today we'll cover everything from the scope of risk management activities to how you can structure your approach for an FCA authorization application. So, let's get started. Just a quick note. You may hear mention of a compliance monitoring plan and a compliance manual. We sell these online to a wide audience. The details are below in the video description. Also, later in the video we will discuss enterprise risk management and categorizing risks. Look forward to later in this part of the series, when we will cover risk and control self-assessments, RCSAs, and maintaining the risk register. Subscribe, like and ring our bell to stay up to date. Understanding risk management requirements. If you're operating under FCA regulation, risk management isn't an option, it's a requirement. But what does effective risk management mean? The approach has to be proportionate to your firm's nature, scale, and complexity. So, not everyone needs a separate risk management function, but everyone does need solid governance and procedures. Enterprise-wide risk management. Risk management isn't just about preventing financial crime or fraud. It should be an enterprise-wide endeavor. Enter Enterprise Risk Management or ERM. This strategy goes beyond finances to include operational and objective-based risks. ERM allows a firm to align its activities according to its risk appetite. Categorizing risks. The FCA gives us a good starting point by mentioning various risk categories such as settlement, operational, and market risks, to name a few. Subcategories also add depth. For instance, financial crime risk can be further divided into anti-money laundering subcategories. Risks can be found listed in your compliance monitoring plan. If you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more insightful topics. The 3 lines of defense, 3 LOD. In effective risk management, every layer of your organization has a role. The first line of defense happens at the business function level. The second line involves senior staff like the compliance manager. The third line of defense includes the board and potentially internal audit activities. This multi-tiered approach helps ensure robust risk management. Details are often found in your compliance manual and a brief explanation to demonstrate the implementation. Please also see video 8 in this series, or the ebook is available on Amazon Kindle or from our online store. Please see the details below. Conclusion. Risk management in an FCA-regulated firm is a multifaceted undertaking that demands an enterprise-wide strategy. Remember, it's not just about financial risks, it's about achieving a holistic overview of all potential pitfalls. From categorizing risks to understanding the 3 LOD model, a well-rounded risk management strategy is essential. Feel free to comment with any questions or share your experiences with risk management. Until the next time, keep your business safe and compliant. Compliance Consultant have over 23 years' experience in compliance and risk consultancy for small and medium-sized firms, but also up to FTSE 100 businesses. Call us on UK 0800 689 0190 or international +4420 7097 1434 or email info@complianceconsultant.org. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Always consult professionals for your specific needs.